7 currencies we use to purchase things. Number 7 of it is money. In fact, relationship is a greater currency than money. Yes, relationship is a greater currency than money. I shock you with this. Poverty of money is a small poverty compared to poverty of relationship. Poverty of relationship is greater than poverty of money. Oh, you are poor of money. Congratulations. That is not the greatest poverty. Let me see the people around you. I will tell you that your poverty is chronic with capital letter. You know, poverty has grade. There are 9 types of poverty. 9 types of poverty. And money poverty is number 9. Yes, money poverty is number 9. Oh, you see the kind of people we have. Everything money. When we mention poverty, you don't know there is mental poverty. You don't know. There is mental poverty. All you know is money poverty. There's no money in my pocket. Forget about that. That is number 9 poverty. The remaining 8 may be in your house. Poverty of people is greater than poverty of money. Do you know the implication of that? What that means is that if you don't have money, you can't have money. But if you don't have money and you have people, you can have money. Relationship is currency. Relationship is currency. Relationship will pay bill for you that you cannot pay in your life. It is because we think that money is the only currency. That is why we put value on it than relationship. Our new generation of young people would rather gain money and lose relationship. I don't care. Just give it to me. I see some young ministers, they preach and their focus is money. They lose relationship that will open there for them tomorrow because of small money, small honorarium. Listen to me. Please write this down. Instead of you to lose relationship, lose money. No, lose money. The people we call fathers today, this is what they value. That is why they are there. Money, forget it. You know, some of you call it because of 500 naira. I see some people, they call it conductor because of change of 20 naira. Leave it for him and go. You come down from an Okada, it's 150. You have 200. Okada says, I don't have 15 naira. You will not stay there for 1 hour for Okada to find change. 15 naira. What is your problem? Your value system is not correct. And you know, are you ready to take this one? Your value system determines the flow of virtue. Your values determines the flow of virtue. Our value system is corrupted. Intangible things that produce tangible things, we don't value them. We value tangible things that can disappear and fade away. So it is because we think that money is currency. That is why we put value on money than relationship. And we are missing it. Because relationship will pay you greater than money. Whether money, whatever money can buy, relationship will buy greater. To think that once you have money, you can do anything. Listen to me. Particularly those of us in ministry. I mentioned it when we were coming. That where ministry is going now, a time will come. There are people you can't invite because of money. Because they have the money. It's only a relationship that will make you reach them. It's only a relationship that will make you access them. Me now, I want Mama that also had to come to my church because of honor. How much do I have to give her? No, how much? I want to invite Oyedepo. How much do I have to give her? Give him. With 6 private jet. How much? Can I even pay his jet to land from Lagos to Subi Airport? Can I pay? Can I pay? No. I'm saying this now. Those of you that are young, please take it serious. Begin to relate with people with a sense of value. Because that your classmate can be the governor tomorrow. When Oduaka became governor, his classmate friend Unibe became the Sudan of Sokoto. Yes. So he said, I called him. He said, you are not the governor of Delta State. I'm coming to see you in Asaba. Sudan of Sokoto meeting governor. And that is why the clique is, there is a conspiracy to keep some of us low, not to enter. We must break through. I stayed there. Governor's daughter marry governor's son. Sapele daughter marry Sapele's son. Where are we going? Sapele? No, Sapele. No, Sapele. Sapele. It is a conspiracy. You must see it and break through by having vertical relationship, not just horizontal relationship. We'll break it. Young people, listen to me. I show you a secret. There are people told you can't access them, sir. How much? Even the quality of your church, you forget it. You know, very funny to say. I was part of a convention organization, Church of God Mission, one of our provinces. I don't need to mention it. And we invited a man of God. Went to Benin to pick him at the airport. He looked around. He says, "This guy, you came to bring me?" I will say yes. He said no. He entered. Inside, he made a call and called his friend in Benin. He said, "This boy, they didn't bring good car to pick me." So we branched his friend church. Friend gave us Hilos, Mopo, Jeep, and escort. The hotel we booked for him is 88,000 per night. Yes, 88,000 per night. You are looking at me, and you see sheep. It was 120. It was because one of our sons used to use that hotel. So he now told her that it's his church, so they reduced him. One of our sons that has moved into the secular world now. Harry Song. You know, Harry Song is our choir master. He on our branch. He's our boy. Yes, he used to use it. So they called him, so okay, because of him, instead of 120, 88,000. And that is also the benefit of relationship. Praise God. What I'm saying, value relationship than what? Than money. Value it. Value relationship. So, number 2, relationship is what? Currency. Number 3, relationship is investment. All this attitude of something for nothing is a lie. It's a what? It's a lie. You cannot reap where you did not sow. Many people will never invest in relationship, but want to take from relationship. Don't be a parasite. Listen to this, I give it to you. The quickest way to rise is to find somebody building something great and help that person to build so that you can be part of his success story. But we don't do that today. When you see somebody rising, you want to scatter him. You want to destroy him. You want to close it. A man of God said something, I will quote it and I can't explain it all because I don't have the power to explain it. He said, fathers that fight their sons will lose their honor. Sons that fight their father will die. Will lose their life. There is a repercussion for the two. Be part of building somebody that is great. Look at my friend, first, we didn't just jump and meet each other now. No. We were breaking fasting with soaking Gary together. So now, if we are breaking fasting in one of the highest fast food now, don't jealous us. Because we know what it means to fast and use. There are people you have access to cheaply now that tomorrow you will feel fun to see them. So connect now that they are sheep. Look at your neighbor, say, I'm sheep now, connect to. By the time I'm expensive, I will pretend that I don't know you. Because you must feel fun to see me. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Tell somebody, say, I am sheep now. Connect to, invest to. Because when I will be expensive, you will feel fun. We will book a date. Before you will see me, your eye go clear. Now that I'm sheep, shake me. There are people you have access to now, cheaply. Your 50 naira can be what will give you 1 million tomorrow. Don't ignore them. 15 naira give, 20 naira give, because tomorrow. You don't know. All of us are here. Do you think all of us will end the supply? When Festus was going up in supply here, running around with slippers and one shoe and one trouser, who knows he was going to be in UK with wife and children? Who know? Who know? It's now they want to call him. First up, no, look at them. I never know you. Yes, sir. They are not picking up. Pick what? What covenant does he have to pick your call? But there are people, his heart is longing for them. Man of God, I enter town. Where are you? Where are you there? Because it is not now, it is the investment together. The crying together. Invest in relationship. I want right jam. It's 12,000. I have 8,000 here. I don't have to take 2,000. You are investing. Tomorrow, you will stand as a commissioner of education. Say, he is part of those that pay my school fees through school. That is how it is. I give you a little story and a testimony. A friend of mine was to wed. I was elderly than him. So he picked me as his best man. So 2 days to the wedding, the man of God, after we collected our suit, like that. But all the inner clothes, the long sleeve, the tie, shoe, nothing. I I sat on Friday night, nothing. I said, I go be. He said, man of God, go be any long sleeve. I said, I said, now wow. But that Friday night, I went to preach somewhere. They gave me an honorarium. So I called him. I said, so how far? I said, man of God, as I tell you now, no shoe. No. Let's leave that story. Because some of us, we went by faith. And faith didn't fail us. I'm looking for money. No money, oh. Now faith. Now faith. Faith. So, but I had a lot of things to say. Let me just say that. So, I look at it. So, I took, listen, I want to show you how to invest in relationship. Because some of you, your friend will be wedding. Your friend will be going to school. Even to add support. You go, they look at bye-bye or the Lord go with you. As is it the devil that is with him before? No heart to invest. So I took the honorarium. I went to NN Junction and Warri. I bought shoe, I bought long sleeve, I bought tie, I bought hand glove, I bought all the accessories. And the wedding was, hey, look at me. Say, God bless you. Ask me what happened. 3 years down the line, he, his wife, and his children relocate to South Africa. And after I settled down 6 months running a church, the first person to invite is me. No, the first person to invite. That is how I had my international breakthrough. I got there from Mpumalanga to Johannesburg to Durban to Chatsworth. He said, man of God, all my contact in this country, you are entering there. You are a covenant friend. But there are people calling him, man of God, bring me now. I said, bring Wetty. Bring who? Bring you? When I was in need of 15 naira, you didn't give me 15 naira. So I should not call you to enjoy. Enjoy. You can't reap. You won't sow in people's life. Do you think all of us will be small forever? No, look at your neighbor. Say, let nothing deceive you. With what I'm hearing now. I am more than this. Oh. Look at your neighbor. Say, this is not me. Oh. I am not. Stand up. Tell your neighbor. Say, this is not me. I am more than this. If you know you want me to remember you, sow into my life now. Invest into my life. Now. Tell your neighbor. Say, now. Oh, yeah, sow into my life. Now. Be part of my success story. Sow into my life. It's giving you. Take it. Sow into my life now. Be part of my. So relationship is what? Investment. That is how people like Oyedepo, they connected with the Archbishop. They were investing in the relationship. Papa take. Bring money. Say, stand on top of it. Until tomorrow, they are still investing. No. Man of God. You know, we are being deceived, particularly those of us in the disease there, thinking we are only to connect there. No. I mean, of you know, recently, quite not too long, Polynesia bought a Jeep of 18 million, put it inside motor carry the motor. He said this motor tire must not reach ground until it reach mama house. So motor carry motor, 18 million Jeep. Why we there here? We they wait to collect. They are there sewing. I mean, of you are aware, Oyedepo paid Besidausa University salary for a period of time while he was building Covenant University. He was paying the salary of BIU and he was building university. And the glory of BIU entered university plus BIU plus Covenant equals to Landmark. Stay there now. They look, they are investing. I will not forget 1 January, my first honorarium as first fruit. We closed pastor's meeting. I went to Mama, I put it. He said, what is it? I said, Mom, it's first fruit. He lay hands on me. That year, what happened to me? Invest in relationship. Don't be a, how do we call it? Thank you. Don't be a what? A parent. Because they're like, hey, call me back. Send me the charge card. Call me back. You know, did you see my missed call? Call me back. Send me the charge card. All those friends of send me the charge card. Look their way. When you need when they need 500, they come. When they need 1,000, they come. You, when you need 10,000, who comes? When all your friends are taken from you, your poverty is raised to power your friends. Yes, some of us, we take glory to be the richest among our friends. That is poverty with capital letter. Poverty that we are called. How can you be the richest among your friends? They need 5,000, you give them. They need 2,000, you give them. They need 1,000, you give them. You, when you need 50,000, who gives you? Because all your relationships are downward. You have orphans around you. You are feeding them. Nobody is feeding you. Look them well. Look them well. Look at neighbor, say, I'm watching you. If you will not invest in my life in the next 3 months, I will delete your number. Praise God. Please don't punish your tomorrow for lack of investing in relationship today. You can secure kindness of 1 million tomorrow through 50 naira today. Invest in relationship that will pay off tomorrow. Anybody you see struggling today, help that person to rise. Because 3 years from now, 3 years from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, 2 years from now. In life, you rise through a network and association of relationship. Some of our father neglected this and they are paying for it now. 3 children graduated, nobody to call to give them job. They didn't invest in relationship. They were pursuing money all their life. They didn't invest in relationship. I have one of my elder somewhere there. As any of the daughter is coming from school, there is somebody to call. Take, give and work. How can you retire from a work 35 years? You did not put people that will help your children. Your poverty now is poverty plus passion, plus, is it passion or pension? How do they call it? Poverty plus pension. How can you retire from a ministry in civil service? 35 years. There is no 5 people standing in that ministry that you put them there. That is why your children will graduate and they will go and let tailoring. Because nobody to call. Nobody to call. You didn't invest. All your 35 years was to collect salary, eat, shop. Me, my wife, my children, I, myself, and me. I was pastoring a serious social mission warrior. I stood one day, I said, you are assistant to the commissioner. You are this. If you are not helping anybody here, I assure you there is no future for you. How can you be assistant commissioner of education in a church and there are 16 guests from college of education looking for school? You can't fix them. What do you think you are doing? Your sheep and your house is despised. Your glory is not celebrated. Don't look like that. That's why many of us are suffering. Imagine now, Governor Ifeanyi is your father classmate. Do you think you will look for a job? No. Do you think you will look for a job? Our parents didn't invest in relationship. They look at it, disregarded it. And the funny thing, you can't tell who is who. I saw a picture on Facebook which day that Donald Trump, the present president of America, was hired by Mike Tyson to be his financial manager at a time. Yes, Mike Tyson hired Donald Trump, come and manage my money for me. At a time. Now he's the president. So Donald Trump and Mike Tyson, who is the real boss now? Who is the real boss now? Mike Tyson is the real boss. Yes, he's higher because I am the first person to employ you. No, Mike Tyson and Donald Trump, who is the real boss now? You despise people because they ask you for 20 naira. Anybody that beg you 15 or 20 naira, thank God that they are begging you. Because that your 20 naira will be what to give you 1 million tomorrow. Invest in relationship. Are we true with that? Yes. I will just give you a verse so that I can make progress because of time. When you read 2 Samuel chapter 9, 1 to 13, are you there? 2 Samuel 9, 1 to 13, are you there? 2 Samuel 9, 1 to 13. You will see David woke up one morning and said, Who is in the house of Saul, that I may show him kindness? For which person's sake? For which person's sake? For Jonathan. Whose sake are you being blessed? Jonathan's sake. So Mephibosheth, a cripple, paralyzed, was honored through the benefit of a covenant relationship between David and Jonathan. He reaped from it. No, this life of, sorry, I want to say something. This life of, we start life, like say Papa and Mama not there. We should not allow our children to start like this. We should not. It says, but listen to me, you have already failed if your children are suffering what you suffer. You have already failed. My children, they will not suffer what I suffer. My wife was pregnant of my first son. I was away outside the country. I bring clothes. I said, you will not start life in Nigeria or Kreka. We have no clothes. You won't start life in Nigeria or Kreka. We are that. We are that. You know, children are happy when they see that their father has connection. Pastor Festus will be in my church next week. My children saw, he said, Daddy from UK. I said, yeah, is it your friend? I said, it's my friend. Is he coming to our church? I said, he's coming here like, hey! They were happy. That is children for you. They now see that daddy has a big daddy. Bringing somebody from abroad. That is it. Relationship. Yes, because my church was saying, Daddy, he's your friend. Is he coming here? I will see him. You will see him alive. You will see him. You will see him from UK. Hey, they start telling their friends. Somebody, my dad is bringing his friend from London. Come to my church. Automatic evangelism and church growth. When your children are not interested in what you are interested in, it's because you are failing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mama. Praise God. So Mephibosheth enjoyed the relationship of who? David and Jonathan.